chapter or book in Saheeh Bukhari?
Thought I knew this one. I think I know it.
This is the first chapter or book.
I don't know. I don't want to say.
Go ahead. You can take a guess. Remember.
Bab al-Salah?
No, it is not the chapter of Salah.
Yeah.
We'll go to Brother Hussam from Muhajirun.
Maybe it's chapter Tahara?
Tahara? No, it is not, but you're close. It is not the chapter of Tahara. We'll go to Brother Sulaiman.
The first chapter in the book of Niyyah.
What is the chapter of intention? No, it is not the chapter or the book of Niyyah, but it is the book of Revelation. Okay?